Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST commander tutorial how to move object. So you can draw rectangle, for example objects, and another I will create circle, create again circle in here. Now if you want to move this circle to the center of this rectangle, you can type move, press enter, select the objects, enter again. And for the base point, I will click in the center point. Now you can move into center of this rectangle. You can hold in this edge and also in here. And then move to the left to set to the center. So if you want to move again the object, you can type move, press enter, select the object, enter again. For base point, I will click in the center point and I will move to the corner point here. Click to move. Okay, that's it for a basic REST commander tutorial how to move objects.